Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Solo theme. And today we are going to talk about the main container options. And the main container, it's the main area or the main region for the content and the site. This is the main container and it can have three regions. It contains sub-regions, so it can have two or one or three. And in the old theme, you have kind of like 67 to 33 or 75 to 25 percentage between com1 and main one and sidebar second. So in the solo theme, I updated this layout and I kind of changed the layout and I give you more option on what you're trying to for what you try to accomplish. So here, if you have two com, this is the default. I have it by 67 to 33, or you could have it the opposite, or you could have it 80 to 20. I'm just gonna show you exactly, and that's what happened here. Now you see it, it's a smaller if you prefer the wider. And also another option here if you want to flip, do the opposite, and that's if you have two. And let's say if we have three, so I'm gonna go add another block inside the region, the left or the sidebar first. Just add this one, and I'm gonna show you the default now. So if I click here, and that is the default. See, now it's set. So when you have three com, you can go inside and this is what it said, but you could change it to 33, 3 equal or 20, 60, and that's what you get here. You see, two more. I feel like the option for the layout, it's a very important, depend on your website and the audience and the layout you try to accomplish. So that's why I have it here. Another option you have to enable rounded. So this one also, I feel like lots of people ask for it if they want to add rounding or not. So this one, add rounding corner around this one. I haven't refreshed. So if I refresh now the page, there is, you see, that's what I'm talking about here, the rounding. And you could increase them. You have several options. I figured out like uh, there's some cool feature to have in the layout. There is. See. So this is the main container with its own features. I hope you like it. See you in the next one.